So the biggest and the best modification for my Viper is here, ready to go on. You know, I've gotten the performance as, you know, as friendly as I want it to be, right? The BBE catback with the Cat Delete, and the smooth tubes and the K&N air filters. I've gotten the paint and interior looking beautiful. I did the full 3M Meguiar's pad compound mixture paint correction to the whole car, and then I got my 3M PPF film over the whole car as well. So with all that taken care of, one of the things that was lacking, in my opinion, was just this car. These 18-inch wheels, they look cool, but they really just leave this huge 3.5-inch, 4-inch gap in the rear fender. The fronts weren't bad, but the rear really, in pictures, stood out to me. So after a lot of research and just trying to decide what I wanted to do, I went and I found a brand new old stock Gen 5 Rattler 1819 polish set. Still has the OEM sticker on it. Look at that. So these are the fronts. I got these mounted and on last Friday. And if you can tell, they're actually having a total inch offset more to the outside, because the rim's a 10.5-inch width rim, and then it's also like 20 to 25 millimeters offset out, so it comes out to about a whole like 3/4 of an inch sticking out more than the OEM wheel, and it fits this car so much better. I mean, it's almost exactly flush with the hood. I mean, it's absolutely perfect. And I got the rear tires in today, and I got them mounted on my 19-inch rear wheels. Again, brand new old stock, still has the sticker on them, never mounted. I mean, these things just look absolutely incredible. And it's hard to tell, but I mean, they're so much bigger than these 18-inch wheels. They're about an inch overall diameter taller wheel. So I have a 1/2-inch raised car in the back, and then 1/2-inch smaller gap. So what that allowed me to do is actually drop the car back down and not sacrifice any ground clearance. And now you can see the size difference here between the 19-inch wheel and my 18-inch wheel. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but it is definitely bigger, and that's going to help, like I said, with that with that fender gap. But then, like I said, it's also going to allow me to maybe drop the car a 1/2 inch and keep the same amount of ground clearance, which is absolutely huge. So let's get the 19 on and see how it looks. Well, 10 minutes later, they're on, baby. And yeah, that fender gap's still pretty big, but looks better. It needs to settle a little bit, you know, just was up in the air. But I'm loving it. Maybe time to get a set of coilovers and bring this bad boy down a little bit. Let's go get some gas and do a little walk around on this thing. Alright, check this out. That is sitting pretty, man. Sitting pretty. I love how that looks. Holy crap. It looks totally modern now. Still though, that rear end could come down probably a whole inch if I wanted to. Looks killer, absolutely killer. Really happy with it. These fronts really, I mean, the whole thing just looks better because the wheels stick out more in the front, and the back wheels just fill out that wheel well even more. Love it, absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. Gen 5 Rattlers are on, baby. Oh, baby.